ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
आदाब दोस्तों, this is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, welcoming all of you to today's session of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same day in history. Today is the 20th of April and the facts are as follows. Firstly, N. Chandrababu Naidu was born on April 20th in the year 1950 in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, India. He is a prominent Indian politician and the leader of the Telugu Desam Party. Naidu has served multiple terms as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and is known for his focus on technology-driven development and infrastructure, particularly in transforming Hyderabad into an IT hub during his earlier tenure. The explosion on the Deepwater Horizon oil rig occurred on April 20th in the year 2010 in the Gulf of Mexico. The disaster killed 11 workers and led to the largest marine oil spill in history, releasing an estimated 4.9 million barrels of oil into the ocean over 87 days. Danica Patrick made history on April 20th in the year 2008 by becoming the first woman to win an IndyCar Series race. She achieved this milestone at the Indy Japan 300 held at the Twin Ring Motegi racetrack in Motegi, Japan. Her victory was a groundbreaking moment in motorsport, not only highlighting her skill and determination, but also paving the way for greater recognition of women in auto racing. And the last fact of the day, popular actress Babita Kapoor was born on April 20th in the year 1948 in Bombay, India. She is a former Indian actress who appeared in numerous Hindi films during the 1960s and 70s. Babita is part of the famous Kapoor film family and is the daughter of actor Harish Shivadasani. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to kindly avoid smoking in public places. I will be back with more interesting facts and events. Till then, please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.